Hey folks, a red flag warning in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. That means no outdoor burning allowed. Right now we're looking at pretty clear conditions across the valley. Satellite radar not showing much, and I think that's going to continue through the rest of the evening. Temperatures right now, we're looking at 69 degrees in Rio Grande City, 75 in McAllen, and closer to the coast on the I-69E corridor, we're looking at a temperature of 72 degrees and 73 in Brownsville. Wind speeds right now, it's pretty gusty. Look at that, 35-mile-per-hour wind gust in Brownsville, 33 in McAllen, and 36 miles per hour in Harlingen. It's pretty breezy out there, and it's going to continue through the rest of this evening as we see wind speeds in future track. It's still going to be around 20 miles per hour in Rio Grande City, 22 by 6 p.m. this evening, and I think by the morning hours by Friday, it's going to start to calm down, wind speeds of about 5 miles per hour. And then by Saturday, we do see another chance for some breezy conditions, and that's because we're getting the winds coming out of the south now. We're getting some more humidity, so I think by this weekend we might be a little bit more humid. And for the next couple of hours, we're looking at sunny and windy conditions by 3 p.m. and winds are going to be gusting up to 35 miles per hour around that time. By 6 p.m. it's still windy, but it won't be as windy with wind speeds up to 25 miles per hour. And I think by 9 p.m. it's looking pretty cool with temperatures around 56 degrees, clear skies for the rest of this evening. And for the weekend, like I said, we do have breezy conditions possible on Saturday. Temperatures pretty warm, 81 degrees, and that's because we're getting that south flow, the winds coming out of the south, and it's going to be a little bit more humid by Sunday. And taking a look at satellite and radar, we're seeing a couple of showers here near Louisiana and in Florida. There's actually some tornado warnings. That major storm system that brought all those really strong winds for us today, that's bringing in some pretty stormy conditions in the Tampa area, looking at tornado watches in that region. And for our temperatures in Texas, 54 degrees in Midland, 55 in Abilene, 63 in Austin, and 62 in San Antonio. North of us, it's looking pretty cold, 34 in Minneapolis and 41 degrees there in Green Bay. And at the coast, so if you're heading out to the waters today, it's going to be windy, north-northwest winds at 20 to 30 knots. We're looking at seas of 7 to 13 feet. There's also a gale warning until midnight for the coast. So if you're going to be out in the water, it's not a good idea. It's going to be really rough out in the bay. For today, we're looking at a high temperature around 74 degrees. Sunny skies, very windy. Wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Some parts may see up to 45 miles per hour. And for tonight, the breeze ends early, and we're looking at clear skies with temperatures right around 43 degrees. And for the next 7 days, we're looking at an increase in temperatures, and it's going to continue through Christmas, unfortunately. So we're not looking at too much Christmassy weather for us in the valley. Temperatures this weekend in the 80s. By Monday, we're looking at a slight chance of showers possible, about 20%. And by Christmas Day, high temperature of 81, showers possible during the afternoon. That's a complete look at your first Warn 5 7-day forecast.